Do you know pomegranates carry a quite extraordinary nutrient profile? Yes, a cup of pomegranate seeds contains fiber, protein, folate, potassium, as well as vitamins C and K. Antioxidants in pomegranate provide heart protective benefits, including reducing LDL or bad cholesterol. According to the journal Atherosclerosis, consumption of pomegranate juice resulted in a significant intima media thickness reduction by up to 30% after 1 year. Actually, intima media is the middle portion of the arteries, which can become inflamed and fill up with plaque made of immune cells, oxidized fats, and fragments known as blocked arteries. When it grows thicker, there will be less space for blood circulation and eventually block the arteries. In that case, there is a possible chance of suffering from severe heart-related conditions or even death. According to recent clinical trials, it was found that 2 ounces of pomegranate juice a day lowers high blood pressure, improves good cholesterol, and also reduces plaque in arteries. On the other hand, if you combine this pomegranate juice with other heart-healthy fruits, it will work much better. In this video, we're going to show you 4 pomegranate combinations to take care of your heart health. Here, all of these recipes are for 1 serving of pomegranate juice. Before getting into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell and watch the video until the end. Recipe number 1, pomegranate and orange juice. So we need 3 oranges, 1 pomegranate. What to do? At first, wash all the ingredients. Now, extract the juice from the oranges. Then, prepare the pomegranate and put these into the blender. Finally, juice together and serve. If you want to make it thick, then put some water in it. Recipe number 2, apple, carrot, and pomegranate juice. What we need: 2 apples, 4 carrots, 1 pomegranate. At first, wash ingredients one by one. Then, cut all of these ingredients into pieces except pomegranate. Now, prepare the pomegranate. Finally, juice together and serve. Recipe number 3, pomegranate, apple, and grape. Ingredients we need: 1 apple, optional. 1 very large bunch of grapes, stems okay. 1 pomegranate. First of all, prepare the pomegranate. You need to cut the apple if you're juicing it with this recipe. You feed the grapes, pomegranate, and apple into the juicer, and finally serve. Recipe number 4, pomegranate pineapple smoothie. Ingredients we need: 1 cup water, filtered if possible. 2 cups pomegranate juice. 2 cups frozen pineapple. 1 banana. 2 cups kale, any variety, optional. Blend everything together until smooth. Add water to adjust the sweetness and consistency if desired. So, this is it. Actually, in this video, we added the best pomegranate drinks that taste good and refreshing, while at the same time takes care of your body and cholesterol level and offers good cardiovascular support. I hope you will see the result within 1 week of taking these drinks. Check your cholesterol level before and after the drinks. You should start with 1 drink at a time, and you must try these smoothie drinks daily. Rotate drinks based on your choice. If you're taking medicine right now, please consult with your nearest doctor before taking these natural juices.